friends, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. So, you know, I am kind of a mess right now. I'm makeupless. My hair's not did. I'm wearing just kind of a t-shirt. It looks like I'm wearing PJs, but that is because, as you saw in the title, I'm dyeing my hair again. Yes, you guys, I'm dyeing my hair again because my hair faded from a like peachy, like champagne rose gold color to blonde, and I'm like, you know what, I want to touch it up a little bit with something a little different. You guys won't know what color that I'm dyeing it because I'm not giving it away until you watch further into this video. So I'm going to be dyeing my hair on camera and I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing it and the process. I actually have another video like this when I used to dye my hair a dark burgundy color, so if you guys like saving coin and you really like dyeing your hair at home, you guys can go check that video out after you watch this one. Of course, I'll put an iCard above and a link down in the description. Before we get started, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you are new. Hello, my name is Amanda. Welcome to the channel. I would love if you joined us, and without further ado, let's go dye this hair. Alright guys, so color reveal. I'm dyeing my hair purple. Oh my god. Yes, it's happening. I'm dyeing my hair purple, but not dark purple. I'm dyeing it lavender. And this is going to be really different for me, and I'm very excited. So my hairstylist actually recommended this stuff, and I am so excited to use it. It is Overtone Deep Treatment. It's a color depositing hair mask, and my hair is real dead from the winter, so I'm like really excited to use it. So yay! So let's get this hair down. It's actually decently clean, so gotta brush her out. Hello, lion's mane. And then I have a comb also to section out the pieces so that it's easier to get the dye in. Okay, so we're gonna mix everything. Here's the product, and just kidding, you guys, I'm dyeing my hair rose gold. I'm sorry, April Fools, I had to. Sorry if you guys were excited for purple. How many of you actually thought I was gonna dye my hair purple? Because I have teased it on Instagram before. So, sorry if you're disappointed. Anyway, so I love rose gold. It is like my favorite color for my hair at the moment, and this is what the product Overtone looks like. By the way, this is non-sponsored. My hairstylist who originally did my hair recommended this stuff, so I'm very excited to test this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoop it out, put it into the bowl, and I'm actually gonna mix it in with a little bit of conditioner. This is by Organics. It is the coconut water conditioner, as you guys can clearly read. I don't know why I bother reading it to you guys, but let's go ahead and do this. Oh, and this stuff smells so amazing. Like, it smells straight up like spearmint. Oh, I love it. I know this is cringy, I'm so sorry. I'm mixing this with my finger because I'm using my hands anyway, so whatever. Here we go. I already have a little bit on my finger, so I'm gonna do a strand test. Oh my god, this is so nice. And then if you want it lighter, you just mix in more conditioner, but I don't know, I'm happy with this. Bam. Let's get this going. I did a strand test, and I'm just gonna do little sections of my hair, and it's gonna take a little, but you know what? Used to it because I used to dye my own hair anyway, so let's do it. So there is one side done. That is insane how different that looks. Oh my god, guys. All right, well, I'm gonna get rid of this gross clump of hair and do most of my head, and then I'll come back when I am almost completely done.
Eventually.
Okay, so here's where we're at. I am on the last section. It looks a little dark, but that's also because your hair always looks darker when it has some sort of moisture, whether it's wet or has dye in it, and I haven't done my own hair in like 2 years, so I kind of forgot how much of a process this is. This is taking a very long time, especially since it's a cream and you really gotta get it in there, otherwise it's gonna come out patchy. Wow, I look wild with the, I'm like a pink skunk. Look at me, oh, work. Ooh. I'm gonna mix up more dye because this is my third batch and I had to make 6 different sections so that my hair didn't come out like poo. So here we go, I'm gonna make some more. Alright, so as you can see, this is the before color and this is the after color, kind of. This is just the mask. Relax, where cameras don't do justice for a lot of things. Okay, I need to chill. I need to go to the other side and I will be back. Alright, so my hair looks bright orange on camera, but promise you it's not. It's like a pinky rose gold doughy. And it's really, really pretty. I got my hair to the best of my ability. I have a lot of hair. As I said, I had to do 6 sections, which was a pain in the butt. But I managed and I'm really excited about it. And the back was like really bad, so I finally fixed it. Oh, and it looks really good on camera. Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna let it set for probably like, we're gonna do 12 minutes because I think that's perfectly fine. This is the first time I'm using it, so gonna go let it sit, rinse it out, and I will be back with the final results. All right, you guys, my hair is styled and blow dried and washed and squeaky clean. You ready? Ta-da! Oh my god! I am obsessed. It brings me back to when I first got my hair dyed. The color is very similar. It's like a peachy pink. It's very kind of subtle on camera. It don't look too subtle, but it's very like blended together. There's no harshness to the color. Like, oh, I am an anime princess once again. I'm so obsessed with this color. Again, this is not sponsored by Overtone, but I 100% recommend this stuff to you guys. It is amazing. It's super easy to work with. It's not super staining. It's amazing. I highly recommend it if you're looking for something that's not super harsh. Ammonia dyes are real nasty. Worked with them for a bit and yeah, gross. Don't like it. And this stuff smells like spearmint. It also smells like whatever conditioner you put with it. I cannot say more. It is amazing. And my hair, I feel like a queen. But anyway, again, sorry I like pulled a slight prank on you guys that I was dyeing my hair purple. Yeah, no, staying with the pink and the rose gold, it's my fave. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And again, if you are new, please subscribe down below. And as always, you guys, I love you so very much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.